Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I wanted to come on here and say hello. As you can tell, I have the worst allergies right now, and I apologize. Today's video is not live. It is pre-recorded because I keep sneezing, and I can't help it. So, it's the weather. The weather for the past like 2 days was really cool and nice. It almost felt like it was like the fall weather, which I'm so excited for. It was like 60 degrees. It was so nice. We had all the windows open, everything. And now today it's like 90 degrees. So the weather change is making me ooh, have some allergies. But we're here, and I just wanted to say hi and pop on here. Excuse the watery eyes, but we're getting through this. So I wanted to just say hi and discuss kind of some things that are going on here. A lot of the same things as last week. Just getting into the swing of August. This first week has been pretty wild already. I've just been really focusing on my social medias and my blog. I've been doing a lot of research online, so not so much in the crochet aspect of things, but I am still working on the tank top, the collaboration that's going on in September, which can't tell you anything about it. I wish I could, but early September you'll hear news about this collaboration that I'm working on with another blogger. I'm so excited for it. But we are working on the blog and on social media. I actually want you guys to check out one of the links I'm going to share in the description of this video to something called Linktree. And what it is basically like a list of all my social medias, any patterns that I feature, any like links that I want you guys to see. So if you want to check that out, it's in the description of this video. It's called Linktree, and then it's like basically a one-stop shop of what I'm featuring that day. So on my Instagram, I share a photo or two a day, and then I say click the link in my bio. And so you can go there now and actually get the correct link, because it was mainly for my Instagram, but it helps, I mean, for Facebook and YouTube and all my other social platforms as well. So, and you can make sure that you're following me on the other platforms. It's very helpful to bloggers like myself, where you follow us on all of the platforms where we share our work. A lot of us share the same work across our platforms, but some platforms we share different work or exclusive things and events and things in specific platforms. Like my YouTube, just YouTube videos. My Instagram, just photos. And my Facebook, we have events in the group, and then I share links and patterns and these videos and everything on the Facebook. So if you're not following me on my other platforms, I highly encourage you to click that link in the description of this video to my Linktree and go to my other social platforms and follow me elsewhere. Like I said, it just helps us bloggers just to grow our communities and know exactly where our followers are coming from, people like you. And we couldn't do what we're doing without you, so we appreciate you so much, and just want to see you on the other social platforms. I'm not doing more of my Pinterest, so I put my Pinterest in there too, and also Twitter. I'm trying to get into more social medias, because you never really know where your audience is coming from, so that's what I'm planning to do. And I really appreciate everybody here watching me and hanging out with me every Wednesday, of course, but I mean just hanging out with me when we crochet together, working on our patterns, and when I share a new release and everything. Excuse me, I'm gonna go sneeze. Sorry about that. I'm having like really terrible allergies right now, but like I said, I appreciate everybody just being here and hanging out with me And I like to do our check-ins on Wednesdays and just see what you're working on. If you're on Facebook, you can share a photo in the comment section of this video. But if you're on Instagram or on YouTube watching this video, you can comment and let me know what you're working on. I just get so much inspiration from you guys, and that helps me know what you guys are looking for as terms of crochet patterns and designs, and what should be on my hook to share with you for future designs. All suggestions are greatly appreciated, and also colors and just topics, things you want to talk about, questions you may have. I'm here for you. I'm here for the questions, and yeah, I really enjoy you know, corresponding with all of you and talking to all of you. You guys are great. So yeah, I'm just really grateful for the community here. But I don't really have many updates this week. Nasser is doing so wonderful. He's running around. He said hi today, and he does the wave like this. He does the waving, but he doesn't really talk much. He babbles like constantly. He can say mama, 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 and that means me. Ba 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 is bottle. He can say, so now he's saying hi, and he likes to watch himself in the mirror saying words, which is so adorable. So he looks at himself, he's like, hi, mouth wide open, hi, it's so cute. So we've been having fun practicing talking. He's running all over the place. He is quite naughty. What he likes to do, it's funny though, because what he likes to do is like do something that he's not supposed to, like grab the cords to my laptop or my phone charger, or he like takes things off the table and like puts them all in his mouth. He likes to put everything in his mouth and then run away. And like I'm running after him like, Nasser, no. And he like just runs away laughing like it's hysterical. The other day he grabbed a bag of cookies off the table and dropped them all over the floor, and then took a handful of them and ran off. And I was cooking dinner and I was like, no, don't do that. And he thinks it's so funny. So he's definitely keeping me on my toes. He's definitely keeping me busy, but I love it so much, and he's just so much fun. He's taking a nap right now. But if you follow me on Snapchat or follow my Instagram stories, you'll see how big he's getting. He's so hilarious. And yesterday I posted that picture on Facebook, on the Facebook page. He had yogurt like all over his face, and he was just like cheesing, like, ah! He was loving it so much. It was so funny. So I couldn't help but share it with the community, because you guys love him too, and he's just so funny. It was great. I couldn't help but post it. I know it's not crochet related, but whatever. Nasser's cute. So that was that's what's been going on with Nas, and he's getting so big. Already wearing 2T clothes. Like, can you guys remember like when I was pregnant? Like, we've been through this journey together. You guys are so awesome. But yeah, now he's wearing 2T clothes. He is a toddler. No longer crawling. He's talking, oh my gosh, babbling constantly. So he's a good time. But other than that, crochet related, I mean, I'm still working on the tank top. I have the collaboration coming up in September that I can't wait to share with all of you. Be right back again. I also have baby items that I am super excited to start and finish. A lot of Lion brand yarn on my shelves right now that I have to just dive right into, so I'm so excited to use that. If you've used this basic stitch by Lion brand, let me know what you've made with this. I have a lot of this yarn, and I have some ideas of what I want to do with it, but let me know what you've made with this. I'd just like to get your input. And then I want to make a baby dress with this True Boo Lion brand yarn. I know I brought this up like 2 weeks ago, but I haven't been able to touch it yet because I'm still working on a few other projects. And like I said yesterday, I was just working on the computer all day and just seeing exactly what you guys like. So I'm really excited to bring in some new content for all of you and bring you exactly what you're looking for in my crochet community at YARNutopia. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Sorry I gotta cut this short. My allergies are just taking over my time right now. So I'm gonna try to feel better, and I'm gonna get crocheting, and we'll hang out next week. Have a great rest of your week and a safe weekend, and stay safe out there, you guys. I will see you next time. Happy hooking!